Today we're doing something that we've been wanting to do for a very long time. Picked up this little mini nitrous kit off eBay, I think for 60 bucks. We already used it on the 550, the jet ski. There we go. Purging the lines there.
Oh yeah. Oh, the jump box.
Try it out. So we already used 2 bottles. Came with 5 bottles. Put the bottle in here, screw it on. There's a little button here, hit that. It's a sprayer. And has a little nitrous jet in here. We're gonna, we really need to jet this out, joule it out quite a bit because the shot on the jet skis this was not big enough. So we're thinking, since the shot's not very big, we're not gonna jet the scooter out at first.
Yeah.
We're just gonna run it and hopefully it doesn't go too lean.
Yeah.
I mean that's usually our motto.
We'll be alright.
So we'll hook it up, run the line right into the throat, the carby, hit it, and we'll see what happens. Hopefully make some more power. We just got called out for the #1 spot, and we just think we don't have enough for them. So
Yeah.
we're trying to do everything we can to get the extra horsepower out of her. So we'll see how it goes. All right, we're going quite a bit bigger. We're pretty much going as big as possible to where we have no resistance coming out of the coming out of here. So pretty much be coming straight from the bottle, straight to the carb.
No doubt about it.
All right, our first hit went pretty good. The shot pushed the line out of the carb. We just had it like pinched into the carb, just resting in there. So we're gonna drill a hole right there at the throat and put the line in there, get it secure, and then really let it eat. I mean, definitely the RPMs definitely jumped on the first hit. It just wasn't long enough to really see it rev out, but I mean, she's holding up good. Those Chinese boys really know how to build a good, tough motor. So that's good. All right, second shot. Here we go. I think that's the 4th shot. All right, well, we went through 1 can pretty quick. Since we jetted out the nitrous jet, it goes really quick, so we only get a couple seconds. Put a new can in there, get a full hit. All right. We went through all the bottles of nitrous, all out.
Accomplished nothing but made this thing rev out like 500 more RPMs than it would
Yeah.
otherwise. So
We got
pretty useless.
it to rev out. We want to do a pull on the street under load, but this thing's having some issues running, so it kind of made it difficult. So we just thought, well, let's go through all our bottles on the stand, let it rev out, see what we can get this thing screaming to. It took it though. We didn't have any failure. So it was it lasted for about 4 or 5 seconds. I'm probably gonna order some more bottles, see if we can do a pass on the road, see if it actually makes a difference. Then probably take it out to Speed World, do a couple passes out there, call a couple scooter guides out, see if they want to run for some money. Sienna, you don't want to mess with the Sienna. This thing really gets it. So get some more nitrous bottles ordered and then go from there.